Imagine a tidal wave, but it's not water, it's molasses. On January 15, 1919, Boston was hit by one of the most bizarre disasters in history, the Great Molasses Flood. A giant tank burst, sending a 35 miles per hour wave of molasses sweeping through the city, crushing buildings and engulfing everything in its sticky path. Why did this happen? It wasn't just bad luck, it was a fatal mix of poor construction and cold temperatures that caused the tank to explode. This wave wasn't just destructive, it was deadly, claiming 21 lives and injuring over 150 people. This sticky tragedy shook the nation and changed U.S. industrial safety forever. From this disaster sprang new safety regulations that protect us to this day.